So you might own a Chromebook and an Android phone and might wonder what the fastest way is to share screenshots or images from your Chromebook to your Android phone. Well, let me show you. So you select the image, you press the right button on your mouse, and then you pick the share option. My favorite way to do this is click on the Photos option, and this will open the Photos app. You just press upload, and then the upload will be completed and you should see the image on your Android phone as well. You can also use other apps such as AirClap, where you install AirClap on your Chromebook and also on your phone, and then you open the app at the same time, and this should also result in a shared image if you're on the same Wi-Fi network. So this is important to note. Personally, I prefer the Photos options because it's a native app by Google and it really allows you to transfer images rather fast. So these are the two options that I've seen that work very well. You can also email the picture to yourself, but this can clutter your inbox, so I prefer the Photos option. Have a great day and see you in the next video.